Orlando Pirates, semi-finalists in the Champions League last season, crashing out just before reaching that group stage. I'm joined by Coach ABDESLAM OUAGADOU. Hard fight. You said that you would take everything, you'd win, but it wasn't enough. Just sum it up in your context. I'm sure you're disappointed, but it's not for a lack of effort, Coach.
Yes, it was not enough because we had these penalties at the end. It's part of the game. I think the guys did the job. It was not easy. It was not easy to come back and to score 3 goals. We did it. And I have nothing to say to the guys. They were brave. Fantastic behavior during 90 minutes. And after, yeah, it's sad. It's sad for them. It's sad for the effort they give. So everybody is sad, of course, because I think we deserve in terms of football what we have showed in terms of football. The football didn't win it today. The best team didn't go through the stage. It's like that, and congratulations to the opponent. And for us, we are going to keep going to work. It's sad that such a big club will not be in the Champions League this season, but I think we have such many challenges to defend, and we will focus on that one.